Bring him over here. Hey, Peanut. You having fun sledding?
Mama's crazy driver, huh? Mama crazy driver? Gonna try sitting up again? Sit up.
Nope. Yeah, a pillow for you on there.
Okay, gonna sit down? Sit down right here. There you go. Just don't fall out. I'm gonna go slow.
Ooh, you're gonna tip over. You're gonna tip over.
You need some weight in the front. How about Daddy pulls Mommy and Dad, right? Mommy and Parker.
Just shut that door.